Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of our project review series where we make house hunting feel a little less like a task and more like an adventure. Today we are talking about the Ridges 41 by GK Associates in collaboration with Paranjpe Schemes located inside the massive Blue Ridge Township in Hinjawadi, Pune. This is a premium 41-story tower, so let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. The Ridges 41 offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes designed for those who want modern living paired with the convenience of a township setup. The project features well-planned layouts with practical carpet areas. 2 BHKs range from 792 to 970 square feet, 3 BHKs offer around 1272 square feet and 4 BHKs go up to nearly 1600 square feet. Pricing begins at 97 lakh to 1 crore for 2 BHK units, 1.45 crore to 1.6 crore for 3 BHKs, and the 4 BHK configurations can go beyond 2 crores. Alright, let's talk about what really matters when choosing a township home: amenities. The Ridges 41 offers a solid mix of lifestyle, fitness, and family-friendly spaces. For recreation, there's a clubhouse with indoor games, a multi-purpose hall, lounge areas, and even dedicated spots where you can comfortably work from home or take calls. Overall, the amenities are not over-the-top luxury, but definitely a notch above the usual offerings. Moving on to the locality. Since it's inside the Blue Ridge Township in Hinjawadi Phase 1, this becomes automatically a win for everyone: tenants, IT professionals, as well as families. It is one of those locations where you don't have to step out every day. And honestly, that's a huge lifestyle upgrade. From an investment point of view, Hinjawadi has been stable, high demand for rental market for years. A tower like this, tall, modern, and sitting inside a township is almost always attractive to renters and the end users. So if you're an end user, you'll enjoy the lifestyle. But if you're an investor, you can expect a decent rental income and steady appreciation as the township grows. So if you're somebody who wants premium township living, strong connectivity to IT hubs, and a lifestyle that balances convenience with community, then this project might be the one for you. That's it for today's review. I'll be back with more honest and real reviews of projects that might just be your next home. Till then, keep dreaming, keep scrolling, and remember, हर house के लिए housing.